Hey friends, I have found some pretty cool thrift store finds and I'm so excited to be able to share them with you. So I haven't gone thrifting for a while. My daughters and I went one weekend to the big city and I scored. I'm not able to craft right now because I had injured my elbow and it's uncomfortable to craft. So I thought I would share my thrift haul with you of some extremely exciting finds. So for my first item, I found this copper tray and I thought it would be great for both fall and Christmas or any time of year if you really enjoy decorating with copper, and I got it for $1.99. Most of this stuff did come from Value Village, which is the same as what is it called down in the States? Savers. Right, Savers. But it's also similar to Goodwill as well. I found this really cool wall cube. Now it is $2.99. It's solid wood, so it's got some little drill marks here, so you're able to just clip it onto the wall. But you could even use it just like this. Like, why not? You just put the holes down this way. I got this really rustic frame and I really liked how rugged this frame is. I thought that was pretty cool. You can see it's got a little bit of a whitewash to it. I actually wouldn't change this frame. I like it as is, but it's the inside that you could definitely change. I found this basket and I'm not sure, are these called... What are these called again? I can't remember what these baskets are called, so let me know. Like, it's almost like a bushel, but it's not like the bushel basket shape. I don't know. Anyways, I got it for $2.99. And if you know the name of this style of basket, please let me know down below in the comment section. I found this really cool little ceramic dish and I thought it would be great for the fall season because it's got some leaves and acorns. I got this for $2.49. Some of these things that I picked up are both for Christmas and fall, and then for every day, because I haven't gone thrifting for quite a while, so I'm telling you, it was so much fun to go with my daughters. So I found this little planter and it's wood, it's solid wood. Got it for $2.49. I did not get it for the leaves. I got it because I really like the wood. I try to grab things that are solid wood like this because you can do so many different things with them. Some of these I'm like in shock that they were still sitting on the shelf. They must have just put them out that morning. So I was really excited to find this. It is a wooden bowl and I got it for $2. And look how rustic it is. It is such a unique piece. I love this. I have been seeing rustic wood bowls like this in gift stores and they have turned them into candles. So, I'm thinking I might just do that. Okay, this one is unbelievably unique and as soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to do something really cool with it. And it is this wall hanging and it is like plaster or ceramic, but look at that. Isn't that just so cool? I got it for $5.99, but oh my word, like, I love this. I could totally see just repainting this and putting this up on the wall. Oh, I'm excited to do this piece. Found another wood piece. It's this candle holder. You can see it will hold a taper candle. I'm not sure yet what I plan on doing this, but it's solid wood again, so $2.99, and it says it's Oregon myrtle wood. Oh, that's cool. I never noticed that before in the store, so yeah, love that. I think it was last winter or Christmas, I had done like this outdoor nature scene and there was like a cottage. It looked like it was tucked away in the magical forest, and I used a ceramic trinket house for the centerpiece of that. I will have a video listed for you on how I did that down below, but here is the image of the original piece. Anyway, so I found two more of these trinket houses, so I wanted to grab those because I thought that they would make, again, a really cool wintry scene. So I'm excited to share those with you. I'm always on the lookout for like wooden boxes. So I had found this one. This one, I believe this was from my local thrift store, not from Value Village, but only $3. And again, it's solid wood. It is quite like, it must have had like a strap around it or something. I don't know. But there we go. Cool piece. It is mix of MDF and solid wood, which is all right. I mean, for $3, this is a nice sturdy piece with hinges. So I don't have the price tag on this anymore. I think it was around $5.99, maybe a little bit more, but check this out. Isn't that cool? I am so excited to play around with this. I think you could do something really cool inside this frame. Loves that so much. It's got a real rustic country farmhouse look. Yeah, so cool. Okay, I always check out the art section at thrift stores because you can find some original pieces of art, such as this piece. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. I think it'll be so beautiful for fall. So I can't wait to put that on display. I actually have a lot of artwork. My grandpa was a painter, and so I have a lot of appreciation for art as well. And my daughter plans on becoming an artist, and I love to play around with art as well. So yeah, like I said, I just have such an appreciation for pieces like this because I know that people put so much time into it. So I found this mail sorter or file folder holder. I'm not sure, but I really liked it. I thought it was a nice rustic looking piece, and you can just do this up. I'm not sure how, like, because this part here is a little bit crooked, but still, I mean, you can still work with it, right? And it was only $3.99, and I do have a few ideas. I haven't totally settled on which idea I'm going to go with yet. I have a couple of books. I found this one, and this was just a couple of dollars. It's a hardcover, but I just love the theme of it, like the spirituality of gardening. I love that. I actually thought it would be cool to take some of these images or what have you, write-ups, and put it into like a journal, a gardening journal or whatnot. Now I know some of you may have remembered I was going to be doing a nature journal for all of you. I'm actually going to post that over on my other channel when I get it done. I tried to work on it over the summer while we were out camping, but it just didn't work. The campground was busy, the weather was extremely hot and dry. The plants were actually drying out, so I don't know. Stay tuned, and definitely I'll have my other channel link down below. I'm wanting to get that channel up and going again, now calling it Donna's CreArtive Life. I don't know, I thought that would be fun. So here's another magazine, or book I should say. It's a softcover book, but it's so beautiful. I love books like this to get ideas for decorating and DIY ideas. So I grabbed that. Again, it was just a couple of dollars. Okay, so this piece is very unique to get. It's an old glass lamp. It's a ceiling mount lamp shade. It's glass. I love the flower detail here. I like the detail on there, but I don't plan to use it on my ceiling. I got this for $4.99, and I had transformed one of these before, and it turned out so good. It was done for fall last year. I'm gonna have that video for you down in the description box. You'll have to check it out to see what I did, but I'm leaning to doing something similar to what I did there, but maybe for the holidays. I am loving these. I think These are just so beautiful with the patterns on them. Love that. Okay, something from what, the 80s? I think these were popular in the 80s. Maybe it was the 70s. Anyways, it's a coaster holder. And I have something kind of cool in mind for this. It was in great shape. So I haven't seen many people transform these. And so, you know, other than just chaining it up and just reusing them as coasters, which is definitely an option. But I kind of have an idea in mind, or a couple of ideas in mind, just to bring it to that next level, rather than just remaking it and using it as coasters again. So $5.99 for this. Another thing I like to go and look at when I'm at the thrift stores is the fabric section, because you can find some beautiful fabrics such as this. I think this was actually a tablecloth, but man, I thought this would be so cool to turn into like pillows or something, or a bed, like a throw blanket. I don't know. I thought I loved the pattern and I love the colors. I thought it would be great for fall or for cozy time in the winter. So I had also thrifted this, and I think it was like $2.99, maybe it was $3.99. And I had already turned it into a fall project. You can see I've made this really simple rustic topiary. Again, that video will be linked down below. But isn't that pretty? I know these used to be really popular back in the early 2000s, but like why not just do something really neat like this? And it's perfect for fall decor or anytime really. You could just have to change out these flowers, which is actually really easy to do. And you can transform this for any time of year. It's a lot of fun. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.